Today, I'm sharing a mushroom soup recipe with you. Let's take a look at how it's made. Pour 15 milliliters of olive oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, crack 2 eggs into the pan. Fry the eggs until they are golden brown, then remove and set aside. Next, rinse the shiitake noodles, drain the water, and set them aside. Add 15 milliliters of olive oil. Fry the shrimp heads in the pan to release their aroma, then remove them. The next step is to stir-fry the shrimp until they turn golden brown, then set them aside. Add 50 grams of onions to the pan and stir-fry. Fry the onions until golden, then pour 450 milliliters of water into the pan. 70 grams of shiitake mushrooms. Shimeji white mushroom 150 grams. 150 grams of tofu. Konjac noodles 100 grams. Finally, pour the previously prepared eggs and shrimp into the pan together. When the ingredients in the pot come to a boil, add 5 grams of black pepper. After the black pepper is dissolved into the soup, you can enjoy this delicious dish.